The plans hatched today to do some testing with our 116 following a successful day at Benton working on geometry setup, focusing on the science element of engineering. I found today really useful. To spend a lot of time in the car on track has enabled me to improve steadily throughout the day, reduce the lap time. It's been really good today to see people from loads of different trades come together and utilise their individual skills together as a team to see a vast improvement on performance from last year. I'm David Russell and I'm currently training to be an engineering officer and I'm a driver for the Royal Air Force motor racing team.